Okay, I'm gonna help you solve some of these problems on complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, so on number one on this problem, it wants you to find that measure of angle AOB. So find the measure of angle AOB. So that's what we're gonna do. And so AOB is this here, AOB. So we need this measurement here. We're looking for that angle. Okay. Now we know that the one on the left is 45 degrees. This one's 38 degrees, and this one X degrees. But we know altogether those three angles make this straight line here. And so we know also that a straight line has 180 degrees. And so angle EOC is equal to 180 degrees. And so if this line is 180 degrees, you can say, well, then X plus 45 plus 38 will equal EOC, or 180 degrees. And then you would just solve it as an equation. And so you would add these two together and then subtract from 180 to get your answer. Let's look at the next angle. They want you to find COD. So COD would be this angle here. COD. So this is angle COD. Well, now we have what we call vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. So what I can do is say, let me put on this here. Angle COD is vertical to angle EOB. So I can say it's vertical to EOB. So angle EOB. Okay, and how do I know those two angles are vertical? It's because they're right across each other. And so angle EOB, this angle here is the same as this angle here. They're vertical angles. So that means that once you find X, these two angles together, which is EOB, is vertical to angle COD. So this two angles is the same as this one big angle over here. So once you find X, well, then you can use that information to get the sum of these two angles, and that'll be the same as this big angle because they're vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent. All right, and hopefully this helps you. Adios.